Welcome. If you want to connect your DJI device with your DJI Fly application, for the first, let's open our application. Then we have to tap on the Connect Aircraft. And right now we have select our device. I got the Mavic Air 2, so let's tap on this picture. And right now in the first step we have to take out and install the control sticks, but it's not necessary, so I'm not going to do this. The second step is just to short press the button and then hold it. So let's do it. 1, 2, and it's connected. So the first step is just to take off the cable from this device, take it off and connect to our smartphone to USB-C port like that. Okay, right now it's connected and we have to click cancel here and accept with the OK 2 times. And right now we have to set up our aircraft. So I hope that you are going to see it. I'm gonna show you. Here we got the button, right? So let's click it once and then tap it and hold, and it's connected. So right now we have to wait a little bit. And right now we have the view of the gimbal main camera from our DJI device. So I hope that I'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.